realtor. I had a request from somebody from Atlanta Discount Home Deals called me and wanted me to give an update video, so here it is. All right, so what we've done so far on the property from the last video is we had all your soffits redone, wrapped in vinyl and aluminum, and we can walk around. And then another main thing you'll see on the outside is we had all the brick pointed up, and we had that medallion taken out and put back in with concrete. So once we power wash it, the new mortar will match much better. It's just the old mortar has not been power washed, so we did match the mortar up with a masonry supply company. So another thing that you'll see is that we've completely redone all the plumbing in the whole house and tied in outside. It's all been permitted and approved. All the roughing has been approved, and so you can see here how we brought it all the way outside and tied it in to the cast going to the street. And so you can also see up here the soffit work, all the frieze board and stuff that's been replaced. And then you can see how we also did some masonry repair on some of the lintels. So let's see, we also repaired the masonry over there on the garage too, above the front door on the left. So we can so we finished, like I said, we wrapped all the eaves and soffits. Okay, so we can walk in, you can see up there as well. So, and we fixed those bricks as well right there. All right, so we come in, we'll look at the plumbing. So that's some new plumbing right there. Here's all the new exterior doors waiting to get installed. There's 4 of them. There's 3 upstairs and there's 1 in the basement. And you can see all the new plumbing that's been installed. So let's see what we got. So this is your new double vanity upstairs in the master. And then this is your new toilet, and this is your new shower right here. And then when you come in here, this is a new laundry. All the framing has been done. So we moved the laundry, which was down here in the basement, which was down here. We moved it up to here, and we created a new space. So we reconfigured this entire bathroom to suffice for full stackable laundry units in here. And then that's your vanity, that's your toilet. And we took the tub and we shifted the tub, which was here. We moved it all the way down to this exterior wall here and took out this closet in the bedroom. Okay, so we furred this wall out so we could, because the furring strips were bad on it. And we blocked out the built-in vanity. And then we had to reframe in here as well, so you can see how some of these joists have been sistered. So we took care of that. And coming over here, so what we did when we took the closet out from this room is we built a new closet right here, which still gives us ample space. And then we also have the original door frame and door that we'll put back in, so everything matches really well. Okay, and so you can see all the plumbing was done in there. Now we'll go upstairs. The electrician's getting started with his stuff, so that's in progress because he has to get everything ready for drywall. So he has to get these existing lights down and so forth and get ready for drywall. So upstairs, you'll see the rest of the plumbing and what we did with the master. So we'll start off here. So that's the new shower, stand-up shower, and then we blocked this wall in because it was an unusable space and it was really weird. And then we went over here and we have closed this up like MJ wanted and opened this back up. So this was 2 closets. So we opened that up and then did what he wanted there. And then we created let me back up. So we created a door here, okay? So we created a door right here to walk in. And then your double vanity would be right there. That's a 48-inch vanity. And then you walk in like this, and you'll see the toilet and the shower. Now, one thing that's really interesting about this space is when we got to redoing the ceiling, if you look up, they had a tray ceiling in here. So we went back with the tray ceiling, and we were able to make this place pretty special. So it'll be a nice vaulted ceiling for this bathroom. That was not doable, but this one was. So we got, we got the hall entrance right here, and then we got the master entrance right there. So that's what MJ wanted. That's what he got. So anyway, that is the update for this video. We expect drywall to go in next Monday. The electrical and insulation will be done this week, and we get to sheetrock and tiling and get this show on the road. All right, so thank you for your patience, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video update. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.